heavy weight. So yeah. As you can see, the door lock यहाँ पर fit कर दिया हमने. It has been installed. The stripe plate has also been installed in here. So now we are going to check this function. Now first of all, the door is locked. I am putting my palm in front of the camera. Now the door is unlocked. I can open it and go inside. Now I am going to open it with my fingerprint. So I am not going in front of the camera. Either I am not going to use my palm. I am only using my thumb in here. So I put my thumb in here. It is unlocked. So now we are talking about RFIDs. We have two cards. These two cards are provided with the lock. So now we are going to use these cards to unlock this door. Alright. So now I am going to use this card to unlock this door. So here I put this card and door is unlocked. And the next option to unlock this door is key. Door is unlocked. Last function which we are going to tell you about this lock is how to lock and unlock this device with the help of phone, mobile phone, your device. Now you need to put your authentication here. The door is unlocked. That's all you need to do in this case.